keycap and insert another one, like very easy. So let's change this smile to this like, and you know what, this like remind me that you can also smash a like button under this video, right? I'm not saying that you can subscribe to my channel, but at least you can press this like. Am I right? I'm kidding, guys. So what is interesting, I'm sure you already noticed this, that we have this brown TTC switch, and you can hear the sound of pressing the keys. It's kind of typing machine, you know, like 20 years ago. So let me share with you a couple of interesting